The upcoming 2024 Samsung Unpacked event, possibly on January 17, carries weight as it's the platform for unveiling the latest Galaxy S flagship models. Compared to last year's timeline, Samsung is advancing its schedule, aiming to release the Galaxy S24 lineup, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, by January 30th, a couple of weeks earlier than the previous Galaxy S23 series. Rumors suggest media invites for this event might roll out starting January 2nd, anticipated to be held in San Jose, California at 10 a.m., according to the leaker Mystery Lupin. While attention usually gravitates toward the Ultra model, this year, the Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to benefit from a larger display, increased battery capacity, and more RAM. Even Blass, a notable leaker, recently unveiled an official Galaxy S24 spec sheet, and Walmart mistakenly posted the Galaxy S24 Plus listing online ahead of schedule, although it was swiftly taken down. Rumored AI features for the Galaxy S24 series suggest AI video processing akin to Pixel 8 Pro's Video Boost. This enhancement could improve video quality in low-light conditions, mitigate grainy footage, and enhance stability and exposure. Renowned tipster S24 has reinforced the credibility of the rumor, sharing that their source also hinted at potential price reductions. This aligns with reports suggesting Samsung's intention to avoid deterring buyers by hiking prices. It's speculated that this approach might have led to certain compromises, such as limiting RAM in the phones. Reportedly, Samsung has ramped up production of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus compared to last year, indicating strong optimism for the upcoming phones. The company is banking on AI-driven functionalities like lag translation, improved low-light photography, and generative edits to drive sales for the new series. S24 further suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might offer the capability to shoot 4K videos at 120 fps, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra can record both 8K and 4K videos. This enhancement could position the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a top contender for the best camera phone of 2024. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.